Hey everyone, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. We are hiring at Motor City. We're actually looking for CNC service technicians. So let's learn a little bit more about what we're looking for exactly.
At Motor City Spindle, we are currently looking for CNC service technicians with experience working on the most popular CNC machines, including DMG Mori, Mazak, Akuma, Mag, Grobe, Doosan, Giddings & Lewis, Fives, Kitamura, OKK, Nagata, and many more, including all the most popular machining centers and turning center machine tools in the industry. Motor City Spindle is expanding our staff to once again meet the demand of the industry. We are already removing, repairing, and reinstalling spindles in the state of Michigan, the Midwest, and all over the United States. But we are now expanding our staff to cut a response time and now be known as the best on-site CNC service company with the same reputation we've built on spindle repair and upgrades. All new hires will have extremely competitive wages and the best benefits available.
If you are a CNC expert, if you have experience removing CNC spindles from machine tools, installing CNC spindles into machine tools, troubleshooting why CNC machine tools are not properly working and are just overall handy working on mechanical and electronic issues with CNC machine tools, please reach out to join our winning team today. Sales@motorcityrepair.com.